Hey everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a custom WordPress theme using the OpenAI ChatGPT. When I am asked something by text, AI robot can find the best solution to provide. It will be save our time and product to our daily work. Before we start, you will need a few things: a WordPress installation, basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and PHP. So let's get talk with ChatGPT. First, go to ChatGPT, then start a new chat. I will ask something like, let me create a simple WordPress theme with source code. And also, this theme name Verdant. Now submit our text and see, AI gives some instruction about project and hints to create a file. And see, AI gives some code snippet. You can easily copy and use it without issue. After finishing generating, now we just follow AI instruction. Navigate to the WP content theme directory of our WordPress installation and create a new folder for your theme. Give it descriptive name like Verdant. In the Verdant folder, create a new file called style.css. This is where you will put your style for the theme. At the top of the file, you need to add a header that specifies the theme information, like this name, description and author. Next, create a file called index.php. This is the main template file that will be used to display our content. You can start by including the header and footer like this. Now again, create function.php file. Just copy and paste. After creating all file, now go back to our WordPress theme. You can see only Astra theme installed. Click reload. And see, our themes are added to this WordPress. First, active this theme and check that. We need some content to this page. Go to theme file editor and open index.php file. This is basic structure, so we can change our format to look more professional. First, we implement content to this body section and open this design before I create with raw HTML and CSS. Now implement HTML design file into body section. Then click update file. Check that. Click reload. Guys, see, our content are visible on this page, but this page have no margin and padding, so need to apply some standard code in this style.css. Go to ChatGPT and write create standard style.css file in WordPress theme and also author name Tanvir. That is mine. Now just click submit button and AI provide your best solution. You can simply copy this code and paste to a style.css file. And then click update file. Click reload. Alright. You can see basic structure of this template. Now you can easily change anytime. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and if you have any queries, please comment below. Also remember to subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video. See you soon. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know